Hello students, welcome to the online classes. Today we are going to start a new chapter from geography, agriculture. So in this chapter we will know what are the factors which is influencing the agricultural activity. The factors that influence the agricultural activities are the following. Through this following chart we will discuss. First is the natural factor, the second one is the man-made factor. In natural factors, there is relief, soil, water, and climate. And in man-made factor, machines, fertilizers, labor, market, and transport. We will discuss about the relief as the natural factor. Relief is a very important factor in agricultural activities. Flat and lowlands are more suitable for the agricultural activity as compared to the highlands, because hilly areas soil is less fertile and the problem of soil erosion is high. But on the contrary, these problems are absent in the flat areas. So flat area is more suitable for the growing of crops. Soil is also very important for growing of crops. So the fertile soil is suitable for the growth of a variety of crops, whereas less fertile soil does not support the growth of the plants. Water availability of water is very important for the plants. The adequate facilities of irrigation provide good food crop production as compared to those areas who lack irrigation facilities. This is a picture where you can see irrigation by tubewell is being done. Now climate. The climate of a place is very important in the agricultural activity. The land on which the crops are grown is arable land, so adequate temperature, rainfall, hot and humid climate are suitable for the farming activities. So now the man-made factors. There are many man-made factors which help the humans in farming activities, like use of machines and modern equipments. It saves time of the farmers. Okay, so we use a lot of machines in farming activities like tractors, threshers, cultivators, etc. Okay, fertilizers are both chemical and biofertilizers. They are required to increase the production of the farm products. Use of fertilizer enhance the fertility of soil and agricultural production. So you can see a picture of where sparkling of fertilizers is being done in the fields. Now labor is number of agricultural activities require labor force. Labor requires for plucking cotton balls, tea leaves, etc. Proper availability of labor saves crop and increases the agricultural production. Here you can see laborers working in the field. Now market and transport facilities. Transport facilities is very important for the agriculture. When the agricultural products are ready, they should be reached to the market timely for sale, so that the farmers can sell their surplus production. Here you can see a picture of transportation truck. It is carrying the grains to the market. Okay. Now here is a chart. Components of agriculture sector. Here is agriculture, horticulture, sericulture, pisciculture, and vitriculture. Agriculture means along with the science of cultivation of the soil, raising crop and rearing livestock. Livestock means raising the animals also. Horticulture is related to the growth of vegetable, flower, fruits, and for commercial use. Sericulture is the science of commercial rearing of silkworm. Pisciculture is the art of breeding fish, especially constructed tanks and ponds. Vitriculture is the art of cultivation of grapes. Now, what is a farm system? Agriculture or farming activities collectively form a system, widely known as farm system. This farm system comprises of a variety of inputs and outputs. Some of the operations involved in this system are plowing, sowing, irrigation, weeding, and harvesting. These operations exist between inputs and outputs of the cultivation. So agriculture Our farming system is a system where a variety of activities are involved. Like first you plow the field, then you sow the seeds, then these plots should be irrigated well. Then weeding process is included. Weeding is the taking out the unwanted plant so that the main crop grows well. And when the crop is ready, it should be cut or harvested. Okay, so this is the farm system. So that's it in this that's it for today. We will discuss it further in the next class. See you in the next class.